Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to extract selected pages from your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this left side page thumbnail icon and click on your page and select. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and here you will find this extract pages option and simply select here selection and select extract and see this is selected pages. Now extract. Now you can delete your pages or insert, you can make it duplicate, you can print, crop, and you can use these pages for another purpose and so on. In this way you can extract your selected pages and select. Now extract and simply say extract and see this. In this way you can extract as many as pages you want, and this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.